Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a little bit more of a bearish update. All right. Yesterday we were already not bearish, and even right now you could make the argument that purely technically we are not bearish. But in the end, I mean, we got some pretty bearish moves. The start of this month and week. So I would say we are, in the short term at least, bearish. All right. So what we had yesterday is we had already dropped down to 69,000. What I said then is wait for some confirmation, but wait for some confirmation, which we got. All right, we got another, we rejected off of 70,000 right here, dropped down to 68,500. Got a lot of volatility in general, but what we got earlier this morning is a huge sell-off, all right, in the Asian session. This is just, this is whales offloading their bags, all right? If you look at the open interest right here, what you'll see is that for about $2 billion in positions were closed in a matter of an hour, all right? So that's just whales, all right? That's just big position holders exiting their positions. Now, we've seen that before. I mean, you can also see that right here, somewhere in March. We had moves like these very often. And sometimes we can quickly recover from them. Sometimes we cannot. I think the safest thing to do right now is to assume that we will not recover from this. I think that's the safest thing to do. But in general, I mean, we'll just have to wait for it a little bit again, all right? Because right now, like I said, low time frames, short term, we are bearish, all right? The open interest is down, the price is down. We are not getting a very quick recovery, because usually what you would love to see is some sort of when you have a drop like this, you would like to see a very quick V like this, all right? And we're not seeing that so far. I mean, at some point of time, what's going to happen is the open interest is going to increase again, all right? So for example, like we saw after Bitcoin had dropped down the 22nd of March, what happened then after finding some sort of a solid support is the open interest started to slowly move up here. Now, at some point of time, that's going to happen for Bitcoin as well, but there's no indication of that right now. So no indication of recovery, plus getting a massive bearish breakout right here, leaves me to think that the most likely direction is still down, all right? There still is quite a lot of support right here between 66 and 65,000. So do I expect us to break down below that level? No, not necessarily. But I do think it's a possibility. And if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, given the current situation where there's absolutely no bidding going on, current situation, it's very much most likely that, sure, we might do some sort of a retest of 68,000, but that after that retest, we will drop down to 65,500 and lower, and a bearish breakout at this moment is most likely as well, if nothing changes, all right? So I would say something like this is most likely if nothing else changes, all right? And I do think it's very possible that things will change. Like if we gain a significant open interest amount in the upcoming 24 hours, there is a possibility that Bitcoin just reclaims 68,000, and that will be bullish again, all right? But the thing is that we need to get some confirmation for that first. And at this point of time, there's no confirmation. At this point of time, we just lost a lot of momentum, and we got two significant bearish breakouts. So obviously, you should be most prepared for more bearish momentum and a bearish continuation. All right, so something like this I think is most likely. I'll try to keep you updated. I mean, things are about to be quite volatile, so I'll try to keep you updated, but for now I think that's what you need to know. All right, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. Be careful out there trading in these circumstances, and bye.